Hey fellas, after some radio silence due to my summer vacation, I'm back with another battle for you, or should I say comparison, between two interesting and quite similar folding knives, Parkside Performance and Bosch Professional. If I'm not terribly wrong, the performance model of Parkside was released to the market this year, while the Bosch Professional is one quite old model. Before unboxing some of their characteristics, they both are using trapezoidal blades, both feature quick change and easy fold, and they both have storage compartment for spare blades. The two knives side to side. Something interesting to mention is that Parkside is selling its product with a carry pouch and 10 pieces of spare blades versus only 2 for Bosch. The two knives are entirely made from aluminum except for the door closing the storage compartment with the spare blades, which is made from rubberized plastic. And speaking about the door, it's better quality, better manufactured, and it's better closing on Bosch. On Parkside there's a clear gap. You can easily spot the aluminum if you look inside. On Parkside it's a little bit harder to notice as the paint job is better. As you already saw, both are equipped with spring-driven button for folding and unfolding. Holding Bosch by the handle and twisting the blade holder. Absolutely no free play, nothing, nada. Same exercise with Parkside, and I can feel a really minor free play. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it on the camera. A different angle on the free play. Here you can notice it better. Bosch is rock solid. Nothing. On their back, both knives are equipped with convenient belt holder. By the way, something interesting, Parkside has an additional plastic guard of the blade. The two knives unfolded side to side. You can see they both have convenient cable cutter. Changing the blade is super easy task on both. Both knives can store up to 2 spare blades in its storage compartment. Bosch is using a really simple clip to hold the blades in place. Parkside undergo a different approach, an unsuccessful approach. They're using a magnet which for some reason was floating in the storage compartment of my knife, and it's really hard for me to tell where it came off. Maybe the magnet was attached to the aluminum casing using a glue, I don't know. But the fact is that on Parkside the blades are freely moving in the compartment. In contrast with Bosch, where they are rock solid. The two knives feel really well in the hand, they're really well balanced. As it goes for the blades, it's really hard for me to tell which one is better. I will need some specialized tools, but they're quite standard and you can always buy some premium brand. Finally, take a look how well Bosch Professional is written on the handle of Bosch and how awfully bad Parkside Performance is written on the handle of Parkside. It's just like I wrote it by hand, really terrible. However, if we leave aside those minor defects, I think that once again Parkside created a really successful copy of Bosch. Not to mention the price difference, Parkside is 2 times cheaper. Well, I think that's enough for my first after vacation video. If you'd like it, you know what to do. Bye guys and see you soon.